Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you American Express Green Card Review, the most underrated Amex card. So let's get started. So here we are in American Express right here, and we have the American Express Green Card. And if you want to go into this website so that you would be able to know more and read this yourself, then you can go into this link right here, or you could just go into google.com and go search for American Express Green Card and then click on the first link, and then you will be prompted right here. So once you're here, you would be welcomed with this offer. So you can earn 40,000 membership rewards points once you get the American Express Green Card. So that is roughly about $400 in spending. So if you want to convert this into money, then it's roughly about $400. And the next thing is that you have an annual fee of $150 right here. And the next thing is your APR, or annual percentage rate. So you would have 21.24% to 29.24 variable APR on eligible charges. And now the next thing is how you earn your points. So you get 3 times the points on travel. So this includes flights, hotels, tours, campgrounds, car rentals, cruises, and many more. And also 3 times the points on transit, including trains, taxicabs, rideshare services, and ferry stalls, and so on. And also 3 times at dining at restaurants. And this is worldwide. And this also includes takeout and delivery only in the US. And you have the 1 times the points on other purchases, so terms and limitations would apply to this one. And now the next thing is we have our additional perks or featured benefits right here. So you got the $189 Clear Plus credit, so you can breeze through airport security with biometric verification. And then the next thing is you have your $100 lunch buddy credit right here. So this would mean that you can get up to $100 in statement credits for airport lunch access with lunch buddy, and you have no foreign transaction fees. The next thing is you have your American Express experiences. You have the send and split. So this is basically when you can send money and split purchases with any or other Venmo or PayPal user directly from American Express app. And you can also earn more with Amex offers. So make sure to stick around because card members can explore available Amex offers, add them to their eligible card, and earn extra rewards on qualifying purchases made at select brands. So you want to make sure that you stick around for this because this is a really good offer from Amex Express. And then the next thing is we're going to go here to the benefits here in the travel benefit. We would be able to see that we have the benefit for trip delay insurance. So right here, you would get reimbursed up to $300 per trip twice a year if your trip is delayed for over 12 hours. And you also have the car rental insurance right here. So this is the coverage for damage or theft when you use the card to pay for your rental. And you also have the baggage insurance plan right here. So this is your coverage up to $1,250 for carry-on and $500 for checked baggage. And you have more benefits right here. And now I'm going to tell you all about the fees of this card. So regarding the cash advance fees, you would need to avoid this because of the high fees of $10 or 5% of the amount, whichever is greater. And you have the late or returned payment fee, so it's up to $40. And for the foreign transaction fees, again, it's none. And the annual fee is $150 as stated right here. And then the next thing is we're now gonna go and discuss the pros and cons of this card. So we'll be recapping everything that we've learned about this card right here. So the first pro is the points earning. So it's this one. So you can earn 3 points per dollar on travel, transit, and dining, which makes it great for frequent travelers. And the welcome bonus, of course, this is quite big, especially for spending $3,000 in 6 months is a solid bonus. And then the next thing again is the no foreign transaction fees. So you don't have any fees regarding that. So I think that is really great, especially when you're traveling or whatsoever. And then the cons is the annual fee, so $150 annually, but Lunch Buddy and Clear Plus credits can offset this if you use them. And the comparison to the other cards like City Premier offer similar points with a lower $95 annual fee. If saving on the annual fee is important, then you might want to consider those options. So yeah, those are the things that I can say to you about the American Express green card, and that is my take. So now it's up to you if you agree that the American Express green card is the most underrated American Express card. If you do think that, then you can just apply here by clicking the apply now button, or you can also compare it to the other cards by clicking here on the compare button by going here into this website. So if you think that this is really the most underrated American Express card, then you can comment down below even if you think otherwise. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.